Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing. Today we will discuss a question from algebra inequality which can be a mass Olympiad challenge. Let A, B and C are positive real numbers such that A, B, C product equals to 1. Prove that AB over A power 5 plus B power 5 plus AB plus BC over B power 5 plus C power 5 plus BC plus CA over C power 5 plus A power 5 plus CA is less than equals to 1. So let's start. Here it is given that A and B are positive real numbers. So AQ minus BQ and A square minus B square are all same sign. So AQ minus BQ product A square minus B square, it is always greater than equals to 0 and it is equal when A equals to B. So if I take the product, it will be A power 5 minus BQ A square minus AQ B square plus B power 5 is greater than equals to 0, or A power 5 plus B power 5 is greater than QB square plus BQ A square, or A to the power 5 plus B to the power 5 is greater than equals to, taking A square B square common, will be A plus B. So now I am coming to the first expression, that is AB over A power 5 plus B power 5 plus AB. When I'll put these inequalities in denominator, so it will be less than equals to AB over A square B square into A plus B plus AB. AB over A5 plus B5 plus AB is less than equals to AB over, I'll take AB common, this will be AB into A plus B plus 1. AB cancel. So we may write AB over A5 power 5 plus B power 5 plus AB is less than equals to 1. In place of 1, I'll write ABC, and here AB A plus B, and again 1 I'll replace by ABC because it is given that ABC equals to 1. From this, AB over A power 5 plus B power 5 plus AB is less than equals to, cancelling AB, I'll get C over A plus B plus C. Now coming to second term is BC over B5 plus C5 plus BC. It will be less than equals to, in the same way it will be A over A plus B plus C. The third one, CA similarly we can prove. CA by C5 plus A5 plus AC is less than equals to B over A plus B plus C. Now adding these three, what is the given question? AB over A power 5 plus B power 5 plus A times B plus BC over C5 plus A5, sorry, B power 5 plus C power 5 plus BC plus AC over C5 plus A5 plus AC is less than equals to all the three we are adding, that will be A plus B plus C is the numerator, so it will be C plus A plus B, which is same as your 1. So hence proved. So AB over A power 5 plus B power 5 AB plus BC over B5 plus C5 plus BC plus AC A5 plus C5 plus AC is less than equals to 1. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.